show you guys how bad this little section of foam is on the starboard side. Nope. Yeah, starboard. Yes, I get that wrong all the time. Working on it though. Anyway, so this is completely saturated. There are just pools of water in here, which I believe is why the discoloration. This is all that dark colored. Just like the fuel cell was. Fortunately, it does come out pretty easy. Relatively easy, I guess. But so even after the foam is pulled out, that was full of water. There's a pool of water. Sopping wet. The other side was wet, but this is far worse. It's like squeezing a sponge. Every chunk. That's a good one. That's satisfying to pull out something. Oh, that's heavy too. It's kind of a fun relaxation exercise, except for when you realize your boat's all junked up. Alright, we'll fix it. That's what I do, fix things. Kind of fun demolition. Everybody should do practice demolition. Now here's something interesting. I guess probably has something to do with the way they ran the tube here for controls and whatnot. Ran to the back corner, and the rib or stringer stopped short. Over there, it runs all the way back. Plan on changing that too. But at any rate, plenty of water. They made, I guess it was supposed to be a drain hole here, but I'm not sure how that was ever going to work. It was full of foam. But I'm not a boat builder. I pretend to be one on YouTube. Boat fixer. We'll get more into that transom later. But good times. We got it pretty cleaned out, fairly cleaned out. And I noticed a lot of water in the hull. And particularly right on this side. So I propped the front of the boat up on the trailer for a little while to see how much would drain out from under the foam. This was totally dry yesterday. Got a good puddle right here. That's no good. Also, I can only assume these holes are so if water did get into the hole, it could drain between the stringers, but it's pretty wet. This stringer cracked. That's no good, but also wet. This whole thing, it's dry now, but I don't know. Feels a little salty to me. So a lot of this was moist or wet. This has been drying out, but that's a lot of water. At any rate, we're cutting out the fuel cell coffin box today. Yeah, that should be fun. That should be good. So there's the fuel cell out of the boat. It's been sitting in the yard for a few weeks, getting rained on. Look how nasty that thing actually is. It's a lot of salt. Erosion. So we're gonna eliminate the possibility of that ever happening again. And there's the deck lid sitting underneath it. This is, yeah, obviously this deck, this fuel tank lid is the worst, but other parts of the deck are showing signs of this. Not to this degree, but they are no good. So, we'll fix it. Make it new again. Man. It's old school stuff.
see, I don't think they make them like that anymore, for good reason.